Recording.
Night. You don't want to go back in your cage. You want to say hi. Night, night. Crazy thing, yeah.
Go over again.
Are you scared? You want to go over? Over. Over. No, no bite. No bite. Go over. Over.
Wow.
Over. Up. Up. Yeah, good girl.
What else? What other tricks?
What else do? You do say hi. Give me 5. Give me 4. Give me 4 when I feel like it. No, guess not.
Not today.
Not today. She's definitely posturing at you, saying, "I'm bigger than you," or "I'm the king of the castle. I'm the boss. You must listen to me." Yeah. Are you a good girl? Are you good? Yeah, you're good. Yeah. There you say hi. Good girl. Kisses? Got kisses? Kisses? Oh, silly.
It's okay.
Can I pet you? She self-soothes. She'll put her head under my hand sometimes if she wants a pet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. She's just showing off. Your boss. Crazy bird.
Crazy
Say
bird
hi.
gives you a lot of company though.
Oh, yeah.
Without them.
She's good. Hey, Kickaboo.
So how many do you have?
4.
4 birds. And the parrot? That's a nice parrot in there.
That's Kiwi.
Kiwi?
Yeah, I'll pull her out too.
That's a nice.
Stop recording this.
I think this one was on Carol's shoulder that one time when I tried to hug her.
That's this one. Chicklet.
Oh, Chicklet.
Chicklet. This is Pee-wee.
Pee-wee.
Say hi. Say hello.
Hi, Pee-wee.
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. You talk.
This is a boy. Very quiet.
Yeah. Hello. That's his little voice.
Oh,
When I'm
little
talking,
voice
he's
is
talking.
cute.
He's talking along with me. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Yeah, good boy. Oh.
What a cutie.
Who's pretty? Who's pretty boy? Yeah, you're pretty boy. You are. Yeah. Yeah. You're a pretty. Yes, you are a pretty boy. Yes, you are. You know all about it. Yep.
Body language is phenomenal.
And he laughs too. He'll laugh sometimes.
Oh, he's so tiny. Any tricks?
Not this one.
Okay.
That's it.
That's good.
Okay.
That's
Ready?
high?
That's high. Hi.
This one is ready to come out.
Hi. You good girl?
Wow.
Hi, Anita. Hi. Anna. Hello.
Hello.
Very curious.
I'm taking
That's
video of you.
nice. Are you doing video?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's good.
As soon as you opened the gate and it went right on the gate door,
Oh,
like, oh, it's wanting to come out.
you're gonna go over. Put your hand down. Put your paw down. Put your paw. We're gonna go over. 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 Over.
Wow.
You're a good girl. Yeah. Oh, you're so good.
This one's
Kiss?
very, very gentle, very...
Kisses? Kisses? Oh, you're a good girl. You big baby. Oh, you're a big baby.
Wow.
You're a good girl. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello.
It's okay.
It's not. It's amazing when you go like this with the body, your head stays still. The body
Yeah.
will go up. See that?
That's pretty
The
amazing.
body's moving, the head staying still.
Yeah, it's pretty,
Isn't that funny?
yeah.
Over? 1, 2, over? Over?
Whoa.
Oh, you didn't want to go over kisses? Good girl. There you go.
think she's a little nervous or something. She's shy. Is that shy?
Aww.
Is that
No,
shy?
not really. She's just
Timid, you know.
end of the day stuff.
End of the day. I know what you feel like.
End of the day. You miss your mom? Yeah, you good girl. Hi, Key. She's a real Canadian bird. She'll go A.
What?
She'll go A. After once in a while, she'll say A, because I go, good girl, eh?
A?
So she picks up that.
A.
Ready to go back in your cage? You ready? You go bye-byes. Bye-byes.
Bye-byes.
No, you go on my cage. Go in your cage. Look. There you go.
Just take her in the
girl.
cage.
Yeah, she can be miserable. Hey, Chicks. Go for it.
I have the appointment book in between my legs. That's why I'm
Oh.
walking the way I am. Do you do any tricks?
No.
You just want to stay like that?
Yep.
Very good.
That's it.
I'm going to do one of these just to end. That one's always bopping its head, eh?
Yeah.
What's that name again? I forgot.
That's
I forgot your
Kiki.
name.
Kiki has the collar. Kiwi's the big one. So Kiwi, Peewee,
The names are funny.
Kiki,
Names are funny.
and Chicklet.
Woo!